Yeah, that's good that you're asking this, because most people go to the interviews and they think they should only answer to questions, but no,
Exactly.
in the interview you should also ask questions, and if you ask good questions, you're gonna win points with the interviewer. So one thing I like to ask is, what does it take to succeed here? Then we'll see. They're gonna talk about what they care about. And it's important when you start working for a new company, they understand what they care about, right? So you can deliver what they expect, and you can also filter, if they care, no. To succeed here, you need to work very fast, work weekends, and 14 hours a day is like, thanks. Right?
Yeah, exactly. If that's not you, absolutely. Yeah.
Then you can say no. If you can say no. Another one, you mentioned testing. You can ask, what is the development process you follow or the team follows? Maybe they don't even have one. Maybe like, everyone just do their job. So they don't have an actual, technical disciplines and processes in place to make things more efficient. What is the testing strategy? A sub question here. What is the testing strategy, or what are the testing strategies? Because maybe there's more than one. They're going to say, well, we hire manual QA engineers and we deliver the app and they test it for us, which means they're not testing their code and they don't have automated tests.
Automated tests, yeah.
And if you care about having a good automated suite of tests, then you already know it's probably not a good fit. Unless they're like, hey, we don't have a good testing strategy, but we're trying to get someone on board that can help us set it up. And then you can, because maybe if they say here, we don't have one yet that we are happy with, then you can follow up asking, is this something you're open to? You're looking for someone that can help you with that. You can already show that you can help them with a problem that they have. You can also ask, how important is automation to this project? What kind of automation do you have in place to help the team be more productive? That's something you can ask as well. How often do you release versions of the app? If they say every 6 months, you already know that they have a bit of a slow release cycle. And you can even ask why. Because maybe there's a reason why they only release every 3 or 6 months. Maybe there is a good reason that it's not a technical limitation. It's just that it's a choice, not a limitation. Because if it's a limitation, it's not a good sign. Because if, we release every 6 months because we have a very long QA process and we have a bunch of bugs in the app that is hard to fix without breaking something else. So it's important to know, if they release every 6 months, is it a technical decision? It's a choice, or is it a technical limitation? What else? What are the biggest challenges you have now?
Great question. Shows interest, shows that you care about, challenging things most probably. So, yeah.
Yeah, you can get a feel of what you will be working on, and if you'll be bringing skills that will help them pass that challenge, right? So what are the biggest challenges? What are the biggest challenges you are facing?
Yeah.
Now,